Such good times that song brings. It reminds me of my elementary school days when I would come home from school, load up my Wii, load up Mario Kart, play it with the Wii wheel, trying to do some shortcuts or just have fun in Grand Prix. It was such a great game for me, especially because I got it for one of my birthdays. I was so happy to finally play it. Imagine coming home from vacation at 4 a.m. while the sun is just about to rise, and I'm playing Mario Kart on Rainbow Road, trying to do this cool shortcut. The whole feel of playing Mario Kart when I was younger. And these memories really stuck out to me a few weeks ago. I was trying to think of things to do. I was like, man, I haven't played Mario Kart Wii in so long, but I realized I have the same Wii, the same game, in the same storage closet that it's been for 5 years. So I wake up earlier than I usually do. It was 6:30 a.m. for a summer day, but now it's 5. I don't even shower in the morning. I'm straight working, but then after I finish that work for a good 2 hours, I don't feel like I deserved it yet, honestly. So I go outside a bit. I play some soccer, I work a bit more. So then after the midday point, I realize, yeah, it's good time to do it now. So I go in my storage closet that I haven't used for years. It's just a place I throw a bunch of stuff that I don't need. The first problem that comes up is that there's so many wires tangled up, so I spent some time untangling those, figuring out how to do the Wii again. I felt like some electrician engineer trying to put that together. And as soon as I actually turned on the Wii and the TV that I used to use to play Mario Kart for so many years, it just hit me. So the first thing I do is go on Funky Kong, do one of the carts because I thought they were cool, and I go on Rainbow Road. So I practiced that same shortcut that I did years and years ago during the morning of that vacation that just ended. I could talk about what I did in Mario Kart Wii, but why not just show you? Have a look and I hope you enjoy it. No. Oh man. That was close. No! Oh my gosh! That looked like it. That looked like it. Oh no. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! No! No! Oh dude! Oh my gosh. Of course, this is like the best Friday ever. Dude. Second fall. And it's not even just Mario Kart Wii I'm doing this with. I'm doing this with shows I used to watch. I'm watching SpongeBob with my family. I'm probably gonna watch some SpongeBob after I talk to you right now. Eat something like watermelon, have a drink, and enjoy the rest of the day that I have. Just so you know all the shows that I like and games that I played, I'm gonna leave some of my favorites of both of those in the comment section. It'll be pinned so you'll see it right away, and I hope you can relate to one of those. You can even put yours too, that would be really cool. But yeah, check the comments and see if you relate to any of those. At my job, I like to, on break, take one of the little cookies that I once had at home and just eat them as a cool way to motivate myself to get through the shift and have some fun. It might sound like I'm telling you to play video games all day, eat whatever you want, do whatever you want, take a break, rest, relax, not do anything. But sometimes the best thing you can do to move forward is to take a step back. Enjoy what's around you, let your mind just go blank and enjoy the present moment. There's so much stuff going on in life. So if you can just have that 30 minutes, hour of whatever you want to do, go for it. If it will make you feel happier and better off and more motivated in your life, which it has for me, 100% try it out. Maybe there's something else or a game or a show that you can watch that'll actually motivate you to get more stuff done than if you didn't watch that show or play that game. I don't really play Mario Kart every single day. I haven't played it in the past 2 weeks, honestly, because I just don't feel like I earned it as much as I would like. So under these conditions, I believe it's great to take a break. You use it as motivation. It's later on in the day, so not right in the morning. And the last thing you think you earned it. Instead of using discipline to get the work done, what if you use the discipline to not do the rewards right away and use the reward as motivation to get the work done? I think it's definitely worth a try, because as soon as I did this, I felt better mentally. I felt more motivated, and it gave me an extra reason to do the work. This really helped me a lot progressing with making money, growing this channel, trying new, exciting, fun things in my life. If you'd want an extra way to get motivated, talk to hundreds of people, I have a free community you can join in the description. A lot of people are seeing great results in there, and I'd love for you to do the same. If you're not sure who I am, by the way, I'm Timothy. I'm 16 years old. I just love sharing things that I've been doing and learning. Hopefully this video was interesting or cool. You learned something from it. If you like this video, like it, comment what you think. Subscribing will mean a lot because it's also free and you can always change your mind, but do what you need to do, get that work done. But at the end, you deserve a break. It's even said in the Bible to rest, but don't be idle. So take action right away, and I hope this can help you, man. See you later. Hopefully we can talk to each other soon. Peace.